Waterplay is a popular area of play that gives teachers the opportunity to make links to lots of areas of the school curriculum. The variety of ways that water can be set up gives multiple opportunities for science learning. For example, considering the concepts of liquid and solid in a practical way, children can freeze water and then they can melt the ice to make a liquid again. Another example is considering how water is needed for all living things and how in a centre this can happen naturally through children caring for plants and, if there are, caring for animals within the centre. A further example is considering the properties of water and how children can have discussions with teachers around the flow of water and how that's affected by gravity, and also condensation and evaporation when they see it happening in context within the centre. Another example is when children get to mix things with water and notice how they react with the water. So here, through discussion, they can be beginning to consider concepts like dissolving, diffusion and absorption. As teachers discuss water play with science in mind, they're starting to familiarise children with those science words, so when they meet them in lessons at school, they are familiar to them already. Within the learning area of mathematics is opportunities for children to learn about weight and volume. The way that water takes up the shape of an object that it's in means that children also have an opportunity to learn about the mathematics of shape.